lost Boomerang. Okay, throw it to Jaden. Lower. Yeah, that's good. Well, just throw it. Just like you throw a Frisbee, okay? It's played very far actually. Hello guys, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I am very excited to show you guys how to make a triangle boomerang. Well, can you believe that a triangle can boomerang? Yes or no? Whatever, I'm going to show you guys how to make it now. To make the triangle boomerang, you need a stapler. This is very important, you have a stapler. If you don't have a stapler, you can use glue, but stapler is the best. A pencil. This will help you how to create a good triangle boomerang. And 3 popsicles. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it now. Let me move the stapler away and I move the pencil away and show you guys how I put them together. Very simple. First, this will be a triangle, right? This is a triangle boomerang, so we need to create a triangle with popsicle first. So this one, this, and this. Okay. You should put them this way, because if you put them this way, that would be even. All right. So if this popsicle above the other popsicle, this side of the popsicle will be above the other one, and if this one below of this popsicle, this will be above from this side. Okay. So very simple. Let's put them all together to make sure that them look nice, make them look even. Here we go. This is the time that we will push them down and use a pencil to draw the line. Okay, so that I draw the line here. Draw a line. I draw a line here. Okay. And this, I'll draw a line here too. Now we'll hold this size. I'll draw a line. Okay. And I'll draw a line here. I may have to adjust this one just a little bit so that it's even. Okay. I'll hold this side. How about this? Okay, same thing. Needs to be even. If this is not even, then the boomerang will not be good. So let's look very much even right now, right? Let's adjust this side too. Now I have all the reference lines. The next step is very simple. I will staple all the 3 popsicles together. Let's do this one first. Okay. This and this. See the line? This will help you to put the popsicle right here. Very important. I'll put this one here first, right? And then I will staple it. Oh wow, this is a little bit difficult to hold, but anyways, I will hold it. I'll put this stapler up. Alright, let me hold this first. Let me hold this correctly first. Okay, so that's much easier. Now I can staple it. Okay. See, so I finished this size. Make sure that's good down. Okay, I will press it down so it won't hurt me later on. Okay, I finished one size. I'm going to do the next size as well. Okay, this one should go here. You know, it's up and it's down, correct? So when I finish this side should be easier. This goes up and this goes down, and just turn it upside down. Okay, this way is better. I'll turn it up. It should be here. I will adjust this side later, so I'll do this one first. Let's see. It's a little bit difficult now, but we'll be able to make it for sure. Okay, now I will have something like this. Right, you see this side, this look good, and now I'm going to stable it. Perfect. And just like the other side, I will just press it down. Oh, let me press it down. Okay, use something else. I'll use this one to press it down. Okay, now the last side. Okay, if this is up already, this should be below. If it's below, this should be up. Okay, so it should be up here. You see this above, there's above, and this are above, so it's even. And now I can press, I can staple this one. I need to press it down. Hold this, and just stable it. Careful, don't hit your finger, alright, when you make this one. Should I adjust it a little bit? Here we go. I need to hold it careful. So that even. Okay. Perfect. And then I can use the stapler to write this thing down. Tomato it out. Alright, so we just finished the triangle boomerang. Let's do a little bit more. I will color it to make it colorful. Alright, so this first, I will color this side first with a green highlighter to make us look awesome. Okay, I'll color it. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Color this side too. Alright. The next one will be pink. Whatever color, whatever neon color I come up, I just use the color. When you color the popsicle, need to give it some time to dry out. Okay. Don't use it right away. Alright. How about this size? Let me color it too. So hold this. Ow. Okay. Shouldn't be a problem. And I need to color this side a little bit more. Okay. There we go. So let's fix this. It's not actually good. So make sure that it's all color. Right. So guys, this is a triangle boomerang. Let's test it out yourself and let me know how you like it. And finally, thank you for watching. Hope you will enjoy watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Bye bye.